Hey, this is Shannon at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. I wanted to show you one of our used boats in our inventory here at the store. This is a 2017 Chaparral 18-foot H2O. Comes with aluminum trailer and it's a great starter boat. As you can see right here, this boat is equipped with the Alpha 1 Mercruiser outdrive. It has a 3.0 liter engine and it's got 135 horsepower, which will be definitely adequate to get you and your family and friends around on a cool day out here at Crab Island. As you can see, as we're inside the boat now, has a great sun pad on the back for laying out. Plenty of room for family and friends back here across the back of the transom. Has nice companion seating and captain seating with flip-up bolsters. Great storage in the floor. And then up here in the front, of course, there's plenty of room for 2 or 3 people, depending on your party. And again, if you're interested in this boat, give me a call. My name is Shannon over at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach, 850-630-5459. Have a great day.